Hi friends! Here we are again. Sonia here, and in today's video, I am going to share to you how I cook the Indonesian Nasi Goreng. In the Philippines, we call it pritong kanin. But in my video, I am going to follow the flavors of Indonesian on how they cook the Indonesian Nasi Goreng. But before we start, for those who just came here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I uploaded the video. And if you like the video, to all my subscribers, please like and share. And if you have recommendations on what food that we can try to cook, please try to write down your comments down below. Alright, let's start!
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Okay guys, so before we start with the cooking of the Indonesian Nasi Goreng, let's prepare first the ingredients. Here we are. The basic one, the principal ingredients is the rice. It's the cooked rice. This one is cooked rice, yeah. And then we have here chili, 4 pieces of chili and 1 garlic and 3 onions. And then we have here, for the toppings, we have here the one long hot dog and 3 pieces bakso and 2 eggs. And we have here also the flavors. Sauce tiram, they call it here sauce tiram. And ladaku, or the black pepper, and the Royco. Alright. Let's start slicing first the ingredients. Let's start with the onion. You need to slice thin. Make the slicing thin.
Savannah.
Garlic, guys, we use only 1 garlic here. Just the same slice with the onion, thin. And then the chili. But this one is just an option. If you don't like to be spicy, then no need to put. But since I like spicy, I want to add chili. You know, ever since I stayed here, it seems like eating food without chili is not delicious. So I need to put a bit. That's the influence of Indonesia to me. Okay. One last. And the green chili. The red one is spicier. Now let's put in the container. Then the next one is the sausage. Just like the onion, you just slice it thin. And then let's move on with the bakso. Either 4 to 5 slices. The bakso is only 3 pieces. So that's right. By the way, bakso is the meatballs in English. I keep on saying bakso. There you go. Okay. First, put the oil. Maybe around 3 to 4 spoons. Just enough. Guys, it's raining outside. And then turn on the fire. Wait until it's hot. You check if the oil is hot already. Then crack the egg. So be careful with you need to slow the fire. And let's put now the chili, the garlic, and the onion. And then mix. Let's wait for the around 1 minute, and then let's put the toppings, the bakso and the sausage, the meatballs and the sausage. Mix. We wait until it's half cooked and until you can smell the and it's time to put the rice. Then mix.
Aduk.
Mix, mix, mix. And then we can add now the flavor. We put now the sauce tiram. We need to mix first until the sauce is already mixed properly. And then we can put the Royco. Just enough. Guys, it's really raining so heavy and it's so windy. And let's put the pepper. Black pepper. Just enough. You can just control. And the ketchup mayonnaise or the soy sweet sauce. Sweet soy sauce with the ketchup asin or what we call the salty sauce, soy. Mix it. You can increase the fire. Just keep on mixing so it will not be burned. Then try to taste it. Check if it's already okay or maybe you are lacking of salt. And then if it's not enough,
see this too. When you want to get off the darkest cloud, the gravity pulls you straight down.
There you go. We are done. We can now transfer. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you. Okay guys, look, we are done already with the Nasi Goreng, Indonesian Nasi Goreng. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and leave your comments down below. For those who didn't subscribe yet, don't forget also to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I uploaded a video. The Nasi Goreng.